Welcome back again, students, to another video. So this is the second part of our video lesson on arithmetic sequence. So yung first part natin is yung illustrating an arithmetic sequence. If you haven't watched the first part of this video lesson, so yung link niya is nasa description. So let's start. So for our lesson objective, apply the arithmetic sequence formula to determine the arithmetic means between the given terms. So before we proceed to our discussion, let's have a short activity. What is the arithmetic mean between 80 and 90? The question is, how do we find or how do we solve for the arithmetic mean between the two given numbers? So the solution will be, we need to add them and then we divide the sum by 2. So let's start. That will be 80 plus 90 and then divided by 2. So what is the sum of 80 and 90? That is 170. Then divided by 2, that is 85. Okay, so this is the arithmetic mean between 80 and 90. So kung ililista natin sila, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So, yung una nating number, which is 80. And then, yung 90 naman, yung ating last term. And then, yung pinakagitna na arithmetic mean nga natin is 85. So, ilan ang numbers o ilan ang terms sa pagitan ng 80 and 85? Meron tayong 4. Sa pagitan ng 85 sa 90, 4. So, kitang-kita naman talaga na ang arithmetic mean ng 80 tsaka 90 ay 85. So, let's have number 2. What is the arithmetic mean between negative 15 and negative 77? Okay. Same process pa rin naman ang gagamitin natin o gagawin. So, we add negative 15 and negative 77 and then yung sum nun, i-divide natin by 2. If you're wondering bakit natin dinidivide sa 2, bakit hindi divided by 3, 4, 5, or any number? It's because dalawa lang naman kasi yung pinag-a-add natin na number. So, let's start. Negative 15 plus negative 77 divided by 2. So, since like signs naman sila, we add 15 and 77 and then we indicate negative dun sa sagot natin. So 15 plus 77, that is 92. And then lagay natin yung negative divided by 2. So negative 92 divided by 2, that is negative 46. So this is the arithmetic mean. For the last item, what is the arithmetic mean between negative 126 and 64? So, yung isa nating term is negative and then positive naman yung isa. So, again, the process is the same. Wala namang pinagkaiba. So, we will add negative 126 and 64. And then, we divide their sum by 2. What is negative 126 plus 64? That is negative 62. Divided by 2. If you're wondering bakit negative 62 ang sagot or bakit negative ang sign ng ating naging sagot, it's because we follow the sign of the bigger value, which is negative 126, and then we proceed to subtraction. So, negative 62 divided by negative 2, that is negative 31. So, negative 31 is the arithmetic mean between negative 126 and 64. What do we mean by arithmetic means? 3 terms form an arithmetic sequence when the difference between the terms is constant. Moreover, the middle number between the 3 terms is called the arithmetic mean. So kung matatandaan nyo kanina, nag-add tayo ng dalawang number para makuha yung pinaka-gitna nila. So yung tatlong number na yon, na terms na yon, kapag sinulat natin sila, magpo-form sila ng arithmetic sequence. And then, yung common difference nun ay constant. Okay. And then, yung middle number na yon ay tatawagin siyang arithmetic mean. So by the way, hindi lang naman isa ang arithmetic mean. So for example, mamaya makikita niyo mga problem. Mag-i-insert tayo ng dalawang arithmetic means, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start. So for example, 2, 8, 14, 20, 26. So kailangan natin kunin muna yung common difference para mapatunayan na arithmetic sequence to. So what must be added to 2 to get 8? That is 6. To get 14, 6. To get 20 plus 6. And then 20 plus 6, 26. Okay. So may common difference sila na 6. So therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Now, how will we identify the arithmetic mean or arithmetic means? So, ito. So yung 2 tsaka 14, anong arithmetic mean nila? Yung 8. It's because kapag in-add natin yung 2 tsaka 14, 16. Divide natin sa 2, lilitaw yung 8. Ano pa? Yung 8 tsaka 20. So, ano yung arithmetic mean nila? 14. Let's check. 8 plus 20, that is 28. Divided by 2, that is 14. Finally, 14 tsaka 26. 14 plus 26, that is 40. Divided by 2, 20. So, ang tawag natin dun sa 8, 14, and then 20, arithmetic means sila ng 2 and 26. Pag arithmetic means, tandaan, nasa gitna sila. Hindi pwedeng nasa gilid, nasa unahan, o kaya nasa hulihan. Lagi silang nasa gitna. So let's have the arithmetic sequence formula. So the arithmetic sequence formula is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So let's identify kung ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga variables na nakikita nyo dito sa formula ng arithmetic sequence. So a sub n is the nth term of the sequence. So nth term siya, wala siyang particular number. It could be 7th term, 10th term, 100th term, 900th term. Okay? And then, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence. Ito naman specific. Since meron siyang 1 dun sa ano niya, sa notation niya, a sub 1, we are referring to the first term of the sequence. And then n is the term position. Like for example, if I ask you to get the 50th term of the arithmetic sequence, so anong term position na hinahanap natin doon? That is 50. Next, d of course is the common difference. So pinaliwanag ko na sa inyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng common difference. Again, common difference, ito yung ina-add sa mga terms para makuha yung susunod na terms. And then, yung common difference, constant siya, hindi nagbabago. So let's have example number 1. Insert 1 arithmetic mean between 3 and 29. So pwede natin gamitin yung process na ginamit natin kanina sa first activity. So i-add natin yung dalawang number and then yung sum, i-divide natin sa 2. That is 3 plus 29 and then divided by 2. 3 plus 29, that is 32 divided by 2. That is 16. Now, using the formula for the arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1, d. So, what will be a sub n? So, ang magsisilbing last term dito is yung 29. And then, yung first term natin, of course, is 3. So, we substitute 29 is equal to the first term, which is 3, plus, now, what is n? So, pag nilista natin yung mga terms ng given natin, ganito siya, 3, and then blank, yung arithmetic mean, and then 29. So, ilang terms meron yan? That is 3. And then times d. So, kapag ginamit natin yung formula for arithmetic sequence at arithmetic mean ang ating hinahanap, ang ma-obtain natin dito or makukuha natin dito is yung common difference, of course. So, next, 29 is equal to 3 plus, what is 3 minus 1? That is 2 times d, 2d. Now, kailangan nating maalis yung 3 dito sa right side at madala sa left side. So, ang gagawin natin, magsusubtract tayo ng 3 to both sides. 3 plus 2d minus 3. So, ang matitira na lang, 29 minus 3, that is 26, is equal to 3 minus 3, 0, and then 2d. Then, we divide the whole equation by 2, and then d is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13. Now, yung common difference na nakuha natin na 13, i-add natin dun sa first term na 3 para makuha yung arithmetic mean, yung pinakagitnang number. 3 plus 13, so dito ko na lang isulat. Pag nag-add tayo ng 13 sa 3, makukuha natin yung 16 na arithmetic mean. And then, we add again 13 to 16, makukuha natin yung last term, which is 29. So, ginamit natin yung unang process, yung arithmetic sequence formula, same lang din na makukuha. So, yung arithmetic mean na hinahanap natin between 3 and 29, that is 16. Okay. So, next problem, if the arithmetic mean between negative 16 and 5x plus 3 is 21, what is x? So, gagamitin natin muna yung unang process. So, ganito ang mangyayari. Negative 16 plus 5x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 21. So, dahil dito, given yung arithmetic naman, inahanap lang natin yung value ng x. So, ganito ang equation na ma-form nyo dapat. And then, i-multiply natin yung equation sa LCD na 2 para mawala yung denominator. Now, so itong 2 na to, makakancel pati yung sa denominator na 2. Next, magiging negative 16 plus 5x plus 3 is equal to yung LCD natin na 2, i-multiply natin sa 21, which is 42. So, paalala lang, na-cancel natin yung 2 dun sa denominator dahil dun sa minultiply natin na LCD. So, kahit na ma-cancel yon, wag po natin i-cancel agad-agad yon. Kasi, kailangan pang i-multiply yun dun sa number or term na nasa right side. Hindi ibig sabihin na-cancel na dun sa denominator, maka-cancel out na. Hindi po. So, let's continue. Negative 16 plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 42. So, ang gagawin natin nito, itong negative 16 tsaka 3, kailangan mailipat sa right side para matira na lang dito yung 5x. So, ang mangyayari, 5x is equal to 42. And then, negative 16, mag-a-add tayo ng 16. So, plus 16, and then plus 3, magiging minus 3. So, pagpatuloy natin siya dito, 5x is equal to, what is 42 plus 16? That is 58. Minus 3. So, 5x is equal to 58 minus 3, that is 55. Dividing the whole equation by 5, x will be 11. Now, i-substitute natin yung x equals 11 sa 5x plus 3. Okay. So, negative 16 muna. Lista natin. And then, yung arithmetic mean, 21. And then, yung pinaka-last term natin, kailangan muna natin i-substitute yung x equals 11 sa 5x plus 3 para makuha natin. Now, 5x plus 3. Pag sinubstitute, 5 times 11 plus 3. 5 times 11, that is 55. Plus 3, that is 58. So, yung pinakahuling term natin is 58. So, pag in-add natin ang negative 16, tsaka yung 58, ang sagot ay 42. Divide natin sa 2, makukuha yung arithmetic mean na 21. So, dito sa problem na to, x lang ang kinukuha natin. So, our answer will be x equals 11. What about if we will be using the arithmetic sequence formula? Possible ba siya? Of course. So, write the formula for the arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1, d. Now, ang gagawin muna natin dito is, ililista muna natin yung mga terms para makita natin na tatlong terms yung arithmetic sequence. So, mangyayari negative 16, and then 21, tapos 5x plus 3. So, negative 16 is the first term, 21 is the second term, and then 5x plus 3 is the last term. Okay. So, ang mangyayari nito, makukuha natin dito yung common difference niya. Paano yon? 21 minus negative 16. So, papakita natin 21 minus negative 16. 21, and then change the sign of the subtrahend, magiging positive, plus na pareho. So, 21 plus 16, that is 37. So, yung ating common difference ay 37. Now, what is a sub n? A sub n is 5x plus 3. Okay. And then, a sub 1 is negative 16. Yung n natin, of course, 3. Minus 1 times yung ating common difference na 37. Now, 5x plus 3 is equal to negative 16 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2, times 37. 5x plus 3 is equal to negative 16 plus the product of 2 and 37, that is 74. Now, kailangan matanggal yung 3 dito sa left side, dalhin sa right side, magsusubtract tayo ng 3 to both sides. So, magiging ganito na lang. 5x is equal to negative 16 plus 74 minus 3. So, dito lang natin isulat. 5x is equal to negative 16 plus 74, that is positive 58 minus 3. So, 58 minus 3, that is 55. Again, we divide the whole equation by 5, we will obtain a value of x, which is 11. So, yung nakuha nating sagot kanina na 11, pareho lang din siya na 11 pag in-apply natin yung arithmetic sequence formula. Next, example number 3. Find the two arithmetic means inserted between 23 and 50. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito, una, lista muna natin yung mga terms, 23, and then ilang arithmetic means ang kinukuha natin na kailangan natin i-insert? Dalawa. Okay. And then, 50. Now, applying the formula of the arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1, d. What is a sub n? 50. So, sa a sub n, huwag po natin kakalimutan, usually, yung last term, of course, yung pinakahuli, hindi pwede maging 23 because 23 is the first term. Plus, what is n? So, madali mong makukuha yung n kapag nilista mo yung mga terms. Like, for example, ito, 23, tapos dalawang blanco, and then 50. So, kapag binilang mo yon, n will be 4. So, 4 minus 1 times d. And then 50 is equal to 23 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3, times d, 3d. Next, 23, kailangan natin maalis dito, mapunta dapat sa left side, magiging 50 minus 23 is equal to 3d minus 23. Okay? Ayan. So, 50 minus 23, that is 27. And then, 3d na lang. 23 minus 23, that is 0. And then, we divide the whole equation by 3. Okay. So, kailangan nating i-divide yung whole equation by 3 o kung ano man yung numerical coefficient dito para matira na lang yung d, the common difference. Now, 3d divided by 3, that is d. And then, 27 divided by 3, that is 9. So, the common difference is 9. Now, pwede na nating ilista yung mga o makuha yung two arithmetic means niyan kasi i-add lang natin yung common difference na nakuha natin, which is 9, dun sa 23. Now, so sulat natin dito. 23, pag nag-add tayo ng 9, lilitaw ang 32. Mag-add ka ulit ng 9, lilitaw naman ang 41. And another 9, lilitaw yung 50. So the arithmetic means, or the two arithmetic means that we are looking for are 32 and 41. So yung final answer natin, 32 and 41. So let's have example number 4. Two arithmetic means are inserted between 120 and negative 15. Find the second mean. Okay. So again, isusulat natin yung mga terms, 120, and then dalawang blanco, since two arithmetic means ang nire-require ng ating given problem, and then negative 15. So yung number of terms natin dito ay 4. And then applying the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. A sub n is negative 15 is equal to the first term 120 plus n is 4 minus 1 and then times d. Now, negative 15 is equal to 120 plus the difference between 4 and 1, that is 3, times d, 3d. Now, ang 120, kailangan matanggal dito sa right side, madala sa left side. So, we subtract 120 to both sides. Okay. Now, write natin dito, negative 15 minus 120, that is negative 135. And then, equals 3d. Now, we divide the whole equation by 3. Okay. So, i-divide natin siya sa 3, hindi sa 135. Okay. Kasi, kailangan nating makancel, matanggal yung numerical coefficient dito sa d. Okay. So, 3d divided by 3, that is d, is equal to negative 135 divided by 3, that is negative 45. So, as you can see, yung common difference natin is negative. It's because yung mga terms natin ay decreasing. Now, 120 plus negative 45, that is negative or positive 75. Now, 75 plus negative 45, that is 30. And then 30 plus negative 45, that is negative 15. So, to answer the question, our second mean or second arithmetic mean is 30. Okay, so 30 lang, hindi po kasama yung 75. Kasi yung 75 po natin is yung first mean. So, I hope it's clear na 30 lang ang sagot. So, kung walang find the second mean, two arithmetic means lang ang pinapa-insert. So, our answer will be 75 and 30. And then, example number 5, insert 3 arithmetic means between negative 7 and 65. So, same process. Lista natin negative 7. Then, tatlong blanco. So, kanina, dalawa kasi 2 arithmetic means lang ang hinahanap. Pero dito sa problem na to, 3 arithmetic means na yung hinahanap. So, and then, 65. Now, formula ulit ng arithmetic sequence, a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1, d. A sub n, that is 65, is equal to the first term, which is negative 7, plus, what is n? Again, we count. Negative 7, tas tatlong blanco, tsaka yung 65. So, ang number of terms is 5 minus 1 times d. 65 is equal to negative 7 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4d. And then negative 7, ito, negative siya. Kailangan nating tanggalin dito sa right side, dalhin sa left side. So, kailangan nating mag-add naman. So, negative 7 plus 4d plus 7. Now, so rewrite natin dito, what is 65 plus 7? That is 72. And then, is equal to 4d. And then, we divide 4 to the whole equation. So, that is 4d divided by d, and then 72 divided by 4, that is 18. So, our common difference is positive 18. So, bakit naging positive na naman dito? tignan nyo ulit yung mga terms natin. Yung first term natin, negative. And then yung last term natin is positive. So, kitang-kita na increasing. So, i-add natin ngayon. So, negative 7. So, dito ko isusulat, negative 7. Mag-add ka ng 18. Ang sagot ay positive 11. Next, mag-add ka ng 18, 29. Mag-add ka ulit ng 18 sa 29, 47. Finally, mag-add ka ng 18 sa 47, 65. So, yung ating mga arithmetic means, 11, 29, and 47. Okay? So, let's have example number 6. Determine the third arithmetic mean if 5 arithmetic means are inserted between negative 26 and 22. So, dito sa problem natin, ang kailangan natin i-identify is yung third arithmetic mean, wherein 5 arithmetic means ang kailangan nating hanapin between negative 26 and 22. So, that is negative 26 and then 5 blanco. Ayan. So, ilang terms meron dyan? That is 7. So, 5 blanco tsaka yung dalawang number na given. So, next, applying the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. A sub n is 22 is equal to the first term, negative 26, plus our n, that is 7, minus 1 times d. Next, 22 is equal to negative 26 plus 7 minus 1, that is 6d. Now, negative 26, kailangan nating tanggalin dito sa right side and then i-move sa left side natin. So, we add 26 to both sides. So, negative 26 plus 6d plus 26. So, again, rewrite natin 22 plus 26, that is 48. And then, equals 6d. And then, dividing the whole equation by 6. So, our common difference is 48 divided by 6, 8. Okay, so, let's check para makuha na natin yung third arithmetic mean. So, yung arithmetic mean natin, sa pinakagitna siya. So, negative 26 plus 8, that is negative 18. Another 8, that is negative 10. Plus 8, that is negative 2. Plus 8, that is 6. Plus 8, 14. And another 8, 22. So, our answer will be, so, sulat ko na lang dito, our answer will be negative 2. Again, ang hinahanap natin dito is third arithmetic mean. Okay, so kapag wala yung third arithmetic mean na hinahanap, so ang sagot natin is syempre yung 5 arithmetic means na between negative 26 and 22. And then our last problem, determine the value of a if the arithmetic mean of 3a plus 4 and 2a minus 5 is 17. Kadalasan po, yung ating mga terms dito, hindi lang naman puro mga number. Meron din namang mga polynomial, wherein mag-a-apply tayo ng linear equation, syempre. Or maybe kung quadratic equation ang given, kung degree 2. So, in this case, degree 1 lang naman, so linear equation lang. So, pwede nating ilista na terms niya, 3a plus 4. And then, yung given arithmetic mean, which is 17. And then, yung last term na 2a minus 5. So, dito para mas mabilis ang pag-solve natin, gamitin natin yung unang process. Okay, yung i-add tapos i-divide sa 2. So, magiging sagot ganito, 3a plus 4 plus 2a minus 5. And then we divide by 2. And then is equal to 17. Now, combine like terms, 3a tsaka 2a, that is 5a. 4 minus 5, that is negative 1, all over 2 is equal to 17. And then, i-multiply natin yung whole equation by the LCD, which is 2. And then, rewrite natin dito So, makakancel yung 2 kasi may common factor sila na 2. Pareho lang din naman yung number. Magiging 5a minus 1 is equal to 2 times 17, of course, that is 34. And then negative 1, tanggalin natin dito sa left side naman, dalhin sa right side. So, mag-add tayo ng 1. So, 5a is equal to 34 plus 1, that is 35, all over 5. So, a is equal to 7. Now, i-substitute natin yung value ng a dun sa given terms natin. So, kung arithmetic mean nga talaga nila or is 17. Okay? So, check natin. 3 times 7, dito muna sa 3a plus 4. 3a plus 4. 3 times 7, that is 21. Plus 4, 25. So, ayan. Next, yung arithmetic mean natin, 17. And then, yung last term natin na 2a minus 5, 2 times 7, that is 14. Minus 5, that is 9. Now, check natin kung 17 nga ang sagot. 25 plus 9, that is 34. Divided by 2, that is 17. Ibig sabihin, ang value natin na a equals 7 ay tama. Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ng easy tip bago matapos tong video na to kung paano mas mabilis na masagot yung arithmetic means problem. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, so ganito, para hindi naman siya iba dun sa formula. Kumbaga, shortcut lang. Okay? So, insert 3 arithmetic means between 31 and 87. So, ang gagawin natin dito, 31, lista natin yung 3 arithmetic means, and then 87. So, ang gagawin natin dito, diretso na agad tayo dun sa D. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, bibilangin natin ilan yung terms, and then magma-minus tayo ng 1, kagaya dun sa n-1. So, 5 yung terms natin, so magiging 5 minus 1. So, 4 na lang. So, magiging ganito na lang siya nun. 4d is equal to, susubtract natin yung last term dun sa first term. So, 87 minus 31. And then, 4d is equal to 87 minus 31, that is 56. Dividing the whole equation by 4. So, our common difference is 14. Okay. Kapareho lang din naman siya dun sa formula, kaya lang shortcut ko lang siya dun sa D na agad. Tandaan, magma-minus ka lang lagi ng 1. Okay. And then, subtract mo yung first term from the last term. Okay. And so, kunin na natin yung 3 arithmetic means. So, 31 plus 14, that is 45. And then, plus 14, 59. Plus 14, 73. And another 14, 87. So, check natin na tama naman ang sagot natin kapag, of course, pareho yung common difference ng mga terms. Siyempre, and then, kailangan natin ma-obtain yung last term. Okay, otherwise, mali po yung ating common difference. So, yung answers na hinahanap natin sa problem na to are 45, 59, and 73. So, after nating discuss yung arithmetic means, so bibigyan pa natin ng mas detailed na discussion yung arithmetic sequence formula by determining the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So, dito pag-uusapan natin yung mga terms or nth term ng arithmetic sequence, like for example, find the 7th term of an arithmetic sequence, find the 99th term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa particular video determining arithmetic means. Again, arithmetic means, ini-insert po siya in between, sa pinakagitna. Wala pong arithmetic mean na nasa una o kaya nasa dulo. Yun lang, maraming salamat.